Hello and welcome to the Carenurses website. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps on how to add Google Meet to a course on the website and also demonstrate how to access the actual meeting. Let us begin. First, please ensure that you are logged in as an administrator for this to work accordingly. If you are, then we can proceed on to the next step. Move the mouse pointer to the top of the page and place it on the Carenurses tab. This will provide you with a drop-down menu. On the menu, select the dashboard option. This will take us onto the administrator's dashboard as shown. From the sidebar in the admin's dashboard, place the mouse pointer on the Tutor LMS option. This will provide you with a side menu. Click on the courses option on this menu. Upon clicking, you will be directed to the next page that contains the list of all courses. Here, you will select the course to which you want to add a Google Meet session to. Click on the course name to proceed onto the course details page. On the course details page, scroll down to the Google Meet section. This is where we will be able to add the Google Meet. Here we are. Now click on the Create a Google Meet button, which will provide us with the following page. On this page, we will have to fill in the meeting name, meeting summary, and meeting time. Under the meeting time, you will set the starting date and time and the stopping date and time of the Google Meet. After that, set the time zone to be Nairobi. Then below it, you can choose whether to add enrolled students as attendees or not. Once you have filled these details, click on the Create Meeting button below. There you go. You have successfully created a Google Meet to the selected course. Now let's go back to the website so that I can show you how to access the meeting. Here, scroll down to the courses section. From the available courses, select the course to which we added the Google Meet onto. Scroll down onto the Live Google Meet part, so that you can see the Google Meet that was added. Now, to access the meeting, select the Continue to Meeting button. This will redirect you to the Google Meet page where you can be able to join the meeting from. And that's it. You can now add a Google Meet and be able to access the meeting using the simple steps that I provided. That's all for now, and thank you for watching.